too bad. Hey, easy, 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 easy. Yeah. But it more faster. But it more faster. But it more faster. Hey. Get ready? Alright. Hey. Yeah. What's it like? Hey. No, sir. Shadeka, once yeah. Whoa, hey, no, sir. None of that. Easy. Rooty.
First in my life, this nigga is gonna put pineapple in eggs.
Wow.
No, sir.
She said she wanted a breakfast sandwich, Jamaican breakfast sandwich. Hawaiian style.
Damn.
Take for yourself.
And put no, so I want to see how this come out.
Achieved it. The burrito looking egg.
See pineapple slice them. One day or so. Here we get pieces of.
Any piece you get, just give it to me.
Okay. Come whenever you like. What on your birthday? See, it doesn't matter what I like.
Extra much.
Hey.
I'm talk to yes. I'm talk to you know because the plan they ready and man the plan they set. The plan was seafood boy. I'm gonna tell anybody who messaged me today on my birthday, and probably persons who asked before that I'm gonna do a seafood boy. All of the things from when Monday, not today, Wednesday. The lady said that they don't go out to sea on Monday, so Tuesday they'll go out to sea and in the evening they catch the king crab. Right? Cool, no problem. I Wednesday I want it either way. So she asked if I wanted a partial delivery. I said you could enough, but you could just do everything at once then since it's going to come Wednesday morning. She didn't respond after that. So I said, alright, she just asked you.
Unprofessional.
Yes. And mind before that actually, when I initially contacted her, she seen me. I had to go back and ask her again, is it possible for her to finally answer me? I should have run from them time there. But you look
first red flag.
Yeah, first red flag, yes. But you must say at them contact first and they contact somebody else coming in the foolishness and she already tell me what's what. I say, alright, cool.
You have a bad habit.
Me work with it. No. It's after 2:30 at 10:30 a.m. The woman was supposed to come with the crab and the crayfish.
Crayfish can't come, crab last.
Exactly. I messaged her in the morning. She could have simply tell me, say, alright, no king crab. Yeah, ignore me. What the hell? You just let me know what's happening because guess what? I could have simply changed my order for say, really nigga?
For it big though. Continue.
I could have simply changed my order to say, guess what? I want those blue crabs and the crayfish. Oh no.
Yeah, because of that we do the next guy.
Exactly. We
the only reason why
else.
we not get it yet is because
I didn't order from yesterday.
Yeah, we never order it, and we have other people for bring it.
But guess what? Same day, him saved the day. The plan already was to really already.
Oh, I apologize. Who this? Andre always find some time to call me. I continue.
Still calling back. Yeah. So the same guy I contacted the Monday, when the woman there kind of made me get the first red flag, I even contact back, and it's very good because guess what? He ended up enabled for me to get it the same day, in the evening, nothing wrong, because what was the plan was to do the seafood boil first and then pizza afterwards, because seafood not going to stretch for how much long belly right here, so it's like just look at appetizer. So,
long bellies?
Long bellies. So
or long belly?
Ease.
Not my belly because I don't like crab.
Ease. It's the same reason why the pizza have to buy. So guess what? That is why we're going to have the pizza first, then we're going to do the seafood.
Alright, lovely people, see it here. I don't know what this is. It look like some kind of vegetarian monstrosity. Over here, so we have 3 slices of Hawaiian. Right here, so it look like cheese.
4 for 4.
Cheese. No, this look like the pepperoni.
But wait there, the pepperoni.
Yeah, this look like the pepperoni, right?
You see pepperoni green. But rotted, that is like but serious.
Yeah, you know, see this is the pepperoni.
I want a refund pizza.
What is Hawaiian chicken or something like that?
Barbecue.
Okay, and
how many people? No, so what are some things them there?
Wait, me confused. Like, me confused between the pepperoni and the cheese. Me don't know if this are pepperoni or for cheese.
This supposed to be pepperoni, you know. Let me tell you, it's 4 for 4, you know. So vegetarian, Hawaiian, pepperoni, and barbecue. So it's supposed to be
a 4 for 4, but chicken did in this.
Yeah, barbecue chicken.
But I say a 4 for 4. If them are this a 3, not 4, because me take this over this, I'm no say and a vegetarian that kind of meat, no in there. And this are Hawaiian.
Alright, we'll talk too much to people them.
Anyways, yeah, we're going to eat the pizza.
Okay, finally, the time is 6:26 and we'll finally get the things them. I have a big up with Seafood Mania, MK Seafood Mania, honestly, come true to me.
On Instagram.
Yes. But on the same day, I will get it same day. It come true when some other people could manage it. So we're very grateful for it. And him give me a little birthday special, him treat me good, I have to big him up. So that's a MK Seafood Mania.
Show the people in the blue crab.
I'm gonna show you. So we get this at the blue crab, right? Him clean it up with everything when I have to manage it and have to deal with that. We can just string it straight, not a pot, so that's right. And then over here, so I have crayfish, and then guess what? Pan on spot delivery. Me get me king crab. Yes, who feel good and nice like me. It may come late, but guess what? God come true. Him come right through. You can't tell me very, very happy if you look at seafood. Very, very happy if you look at seafood, honestly. So guys, I'll carry through the process. Right? I'm gonna make Caribbean version. I know seafood boil. And it's gonna be a nice little food. I'm happy, man. I'm not telling a lie, I'm happy. Happy bud.
Yeah, people, so stay tuned, like, share, comment, and watch the video in full.
Yes, people, and make sure, I'm gonna watch on the feed, yeah? So, people. Yes, my phone, and I did need to take off some things, so sorry we missed some of the process, but I'm gonna explain everything either way. So, as I say, one of them, already just put in some of this soup up vegetable mix. So this right here is just the water to boil the seafood.
Le broth.
Yeah, so explain what is in there, Chefy. Everything.
Hello. Okay, so pepper in there, onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, put piece of ginger in there.
Salt
in there.
And we put some crushed pepper from Peter out. So we put tubes in it to bring up more pepper flavor. Yeah, so that's basically what's in the broth to boil the seafood. And here over here is our lovely seafood. So we got king crab, Caribbean king crab right here. Bring him up. Fresh. Yes. Oh my gosh, this looks like even blood.
I know blood.
I know, yeah, it looks like it though. And then Alright, so after that we got crayfish. I can't have shrimp, so crayfish is my next best substitute.
And then we have them little something here.
Blue crab, which is clean. We know it's come bigger than that, but the clean version is this. So that's what we'll be having in it. And of course we'll have corn and potatoes. That's gonna be our seafood boil. So first we're gonna boil it in a broth first. Then we're going to make the seafood batter in a saucepan, and then we're going to rot it.
It refuses.
When you have small pot problems and big ambitions.
You.
Broke off the top then. Broke off the top, yeah, broke off. Boom.
Yeah.
You have it locked?
Fixing this. Marinate it for 12 hours.
Yeah. And then we're gonna just add in everything. So we come back to in the batter, making the batter for the sauce, the seafood boil. Yeah, I'm gonna mix the seasoning them. My nose, I smell it. Alright, so as I'm adding, I'm gonna say it. So first cayenne pepper, then this is onion powder. Now we're gonna add black pepper. I could probably just write it as I go along.
You can say it as well.
I'll say it.
And this is good old Jamaican maggi.
All-purpose maggi season. I'm not sure, no? Yes.
Maggi link up.
You know, whatever I cook.
Can't left it. Maggi. Oh, I want feet.
Hey! Oh God, guys, don't miss that. Splash up all over him.
It's not good.
Come on, add in the seasoning that the people them say. And remember, you can always add as much as you want, add in something new, subtract from what we have. We're in the Caribbean, so this is our Caribbean version of our seafood boil. We're not gonna have everything that's available to you in the States or wherever else. That's a vegetable bouillon cube, and next maggi thing, link with. Come on, pass some things, them money, I move slow, puppy.
Alright,
What next?
This look like we use this already.
So we need garlic powder. Alright, he added onion, sorry, he defined the garlic powder and added. So now
It's a seafood spice.
seafood spice. Get it in there so you guys can actually see it. Seafood spice.
We just have freehand.
Freehand, yeah. You can do roughly if you have a lot of it, you can do roughly a teaspoon of everything.
Yeah.
Or even as much as a, I don't even want to say tablespoon, you know, a teaspoon.
Just a teaspoon and everything. If you taste it and you miss nothing, you just
Add more.
add more.
And this is Cajun seasoning. It'll look Creole in this. What next now? Alright, so this is complete seasoning.
Complete seasoning.
Just add a little of that here. Yeah, that's a good amount. So anything else to be added, my dear?
Pause.
Oh no, oh God, look how it starts. The man will pad full up till it can't full up no more. Take off the cover here. Alright people, so make do look up at what have. Everything boil up, it look nice and it smells the same. So just kinda watch it. And we're getting the things ready to make the what you call it? The sauce.
The butter sauce.
The butter sauce and then the sauce pan.
So I have a name for it, but I just don't know it.
Yeah, so is everything turned up red like this?
Shadeka.
But you might go taste it.
No, I must taste it. Not with this one.
Watch that extra one here. Come like the rest of them when them depend them marks. Extra much. Read all about it. Alright, dear. No, babe. Watch him at full speed with the soup. It's a familiar flavor. Like, I don't even know if I say if a fish tea or something, but it's not bad. Yes, you hear the rain, how lodges is send down to cool down the place. Yes, and wash the crosses them clean. Alright, so when we move on to the sauce, we'll come back for now. So we'll practically put 1 stick of butter, margarine actually, in it. We'll have it one melt down. We should take the way call it? Oh, the food out of the pot and put it one side. I will make the sauce, make it one melt. After when this finishes, we're going to add the corn and the Irish in there for boiling.
Yes, Miss Shadeka. Put them in there. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And you just stir it in it. Alright, and over here, so we have the seafood that bubble down. Them to come out and pot now. So when we take them out, we'll see how it goes. So the sauce will be prepared. We need more butter than that, don't we? Yeah. So this everything will bubble down. This don't come out. So next thing you see, we're not gonna see this now baking pan.
Like a tray.
Yeah, like one tray.
Okay, now while Orange is taking out the crabs and the crayfish. So I'm gonna remove them so we can boil the corn and the Irish in it. He's gonna wash the Irish and then add the corn as well.
And then the drizzling on the butter.
Yeah.
I'm going on the oven. So soak up that the sauce.
Yeah. So I'm gonna head over back to the sauce now and continue with our pot. So this is everything the blended seasoning. Take it. Why? Fudge. Then I'm adding a little lime lemon. And this lime oil, so I call it lime lemon. Lime lemon. And this is, I think this is the color I'm going to get when we go juicy crab in the man. With the garlic there. I'm not see the garlic.
I put garlic in there. Chop them up.
Yes, so come wrap me with my garlic. I need my garlic in there. Fish on. Orion, they are being stingy with the thing. Must say, the season when you put in there, you have to triple that, man. Or you are going back and add it in.
Triple it.
You know what triple it, so they are being too decent.
The broth looks nice, smell good.
Of course, the corn and everything's supposed to stew. Might put in some more. Stop being so nice. A spice, you know? Everything will be alright.
Okay.
And nice with a scallion. Yes. Look on that pretty picture here. I say look on this. Tell me if this not smothered.
It's not even reaching out the oven yet, you know.
Yes.
That one I miss it.
No man, that'll get some man.
I'll get some more.
I say people, when I say Caribbean seafood, hey, it juicy crab shack, I don't business one name. Don't have anything for my kitchen.
Honey king crab just sit down in the middle.
Yeah man, it must look like the prime. You know?
Yeah, when we put it in there so it just run down in there.
Yeah, man, it's gonna soak up all of this now. Nice, I like it. I'm gonna have some to dip in as well.
Yeah.
Woo! Kind of soak in what's left in the pot. And then we'll take it out and then that one with the dipping sauce. Yes.
Yeah. So take the camera, Miss Shadeka. Take the.
So it's all papered up, ready to go into our little mini oven.
Right,
It's a perfect juicy. It's too big?
Yeah.
It's a fit, best believe it.
So it has to go turn, so. And then.
Voila, it works.
You make it longer.
Thank you, God. Alright, so cut them then and put in the sauce. Tell me if that can already, babe. Really? Can already?
Give me a fork.
You ready?
And tender.
Some more? So put the cover over it then. Oh yeah, the cover gone to bed.
Wash up.
But yeah, time to go and wash up in the meanwhile.
So my kids go and smoke up some of this nice juice, yes, because the broth bad people, you know, like, yeah.
And then this bad too.
Then I drink some of it like fish tea, you got me?
Move, babe.
You feel a joke?
Yes, says. Oh, look at that. Really, babe?
I don't mean drop it.
Look at the yum yum. Look at the yum yum. Oh, man, that's the coupling in the corner and the Irish now. Yo, no store na have no pawi. Smells it. Smells it. Yeah, man, when I'm ready for place on the order, I mean, like, I'm dead serious. When I'm ready for place on the order, so let me know. Because you know, so already a chef already.
The chef is here.
Yes.
I have no problem to cater.
So make we know, you know, a day or two in advance. We're like, we're dead serious.
And people, if you not buy can, don't buy the orange one, then buy the white.
Them nice one here.
You buy the orange one, them, damn, me will not suffer because them, they not no cook or cook.
We put in the potato, man.
Whomever get it.
Time to devour this.
Yes. No, some of the sauce.
Tell me now, how may I get this out of this?
You need one of them small. Let me figure out them name. But I want straight gritty something.
Jesus, it's sitting gritty. I'm gonna manage this.
Light work.
No, something.
Look, the people. It is devoured.
Really, big. Yeah, them nasty people, they were showing the food don't eat.
Of course. Look on the left, look there. Beer sauce and Shadeka, they are mash it up. Yes, people, so that was our version of a seafood boil. A Jamaican version, full of seasoning and spices and so forth.
And niceness.
Yeah, we might say, but I didn't put the pimento in it. Pimento in like 4 or 5 of the seasoning them we use.
Yeah,
so
we
decided not to put any of the pimento greens in it, but good overall. So if you have made it to the end of the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. That is the golden rule. And like. And
people always leave a comment. We love responding to you guys. We love hearing and knowing who's actually enjoying and watching our content.
Yeah.
And always leave a suggestion if you want to.
Yes. And bear in mind the whole point of this video is Shadeka's birthday. It's her birthday, people. It's her birthday. But we just decided to make sure the people. Yeah,
this is what I want because you know it's quarantine same way. Place not really open up.
This is what she wanted.
So I wanted a seafood boil.
And she got
MK
it, so.
Seafood Mania made it happen last minute.
Last minute delivery.
Yes, it was.
Guys very much.
Thank you.
Thank you,
man.
Yeah.
So if you want to recreate it, you can just link him up. Instagram him.
Yeah, man, and him generous too because him literally.
I told him it was my birthday.
Yeah, and him give me a pound of the blue crab for free. Practically free.
Yeah, that's what he did.
So if you're interested in making it and you want the seafood, you can link him up on his Instagram.
MK Seafood Mania. Straight.
Yeah, alright guys. We will see you in the next video.
See you in the next. Alright, I'm done.
Yeah.
Later.
Always with the X on this. Peace guys.